Hi Gajapati Futures, boys and girls. A warm welcome to all of you. Hope you all are fine by the grace of God. And I am very happy to announce that for the very first time in Gajapati Paralakhemandi, a very special program is going to be arranged, and it is on 20th October 2021. So I welcome from my side and request you to come to this program very positively to attend this meeting and be benefited. And I suggest you to call your friends as much as you can, because this is a very social awareness program by which we are going to understand some important topics like human rights in India, Dalit and Adivasi rights, OBC reservation, minority and constitution, student and job, English language for students, women rights, social situation for girls in India. All these points are to be discussed on that day, and we are very happy and lucky to have the speaker Dr. Bani Prasad Mali from Bhubaneswar, and the date is on 29th October, and the time from 3:30 onwards, and the place is Universal Technology Computer beside Palace. So we should be very careful, we should be very aware of our future. We have to know what is our goal, and goal becomes goal, dreams become dreams. To success in life, we have to go through all these hurdles and obstacles, and we have to find the solution of these obstacles and hurdles. Till then, we can't success until we are finding this solution. So please be honest, responsible for your own future as well as for Gajapati students, because all the people from outside they think that Gajapati students are backward, but I don't think that. We need unity to progress, we need unity to go ahead, we need suggestion, we need advice from the great speakers. So we are lucky to have Bani Prasad Mali sir. So we should gain much of knowledge from Bani Prasad sir, asking very good questions, interacting with Bani Prasad sir. So it is free of cost, no fees is going to be taken. So I welcome you to that program, and I am from SKCG Autonomous College. I am pursuing my MCOM. So I am ready to help you for that program, and I hope you are coming, and I am waiting eagerly. So please join us together to progress. Thank you.